Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone battery drain faster. If you're using any iPhone, you're facing the issue that your iPhone battery is draining faster. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to simply go to your settings app, go to general, go to software update, and just try to update your software. Once you update your software, just simply go back, go to battery section, and here just go to view all battery usage, and you just have to check that which app is using more battery. So if you find any app which is using more battery, so you can try to disable that background app usage, or you can also try to completely delete that app. So once you have checked, you just have to simply go back from here and just go to general section, go to background app refresh, and just disable background app refresh for some specific apps which you don't want to run in background. Or if you have any unused apps which you're not using, so you can try to delete them. Just go to apps iPhone storage here, and you'll find all of the installed apps on your iPhone, so you can easily delete which one you want to. Or the next thing you can do is to lower your brightness. If you're using any iPhone with a higher brightness, so I recommend you have to try to decrease your iPhone brightness to get extended battery life, or you can also try to use dark mode. Now to do this, open your display and brightness settings, select dark from here, and your all theme will be changed to dark. Or you can also set your screen to turn off sooner, so it will help you to get an extended battery life. Or you can also try to disable unnecessary connections from here. It might be your Bluetooth, or if you're not using your Wi-Fi, you can also try to disable your Wi-Fi. After that, you can try to update everything, update your software, and also update your apps. Open your app store, just tap on the profile option at the top right, and then just tap on this update all option. So it will automatically update all of the pending updates apps. So after doing this, you just have to try to make a forced restart with your iPhone. Now to do this, just quickly press and release the volume up and then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if issue has been fixed or not. Or you can also do some more settings to get a better battery life. So go to the settings app, and here go to privacy and security, and look for location services. You can try to disable your location services because your location services use a huge amount of your batteries. You can also try to disable your location services from here. Or after doing this, you have to go back, go to battery, and the very first go to battery health, and you have to make sure that your battery maximum capacity is more than 80 or 85%. If you might see that your battery maximum capacity is lower than 85 or the 80%, so I recommend you have to try to exchange your iPhone battery with another original iPhone battery, because sometimes it might be that your battery has been expired or it has no any more capacity to get more usage. So you can try to exchange your battery to get extended battery life. Or you can also use the low power mode. Just go to your power mode settings, enable low power mode to get a better battery life. So in this way, you can easily extend your battery life on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.